Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters, where? Junction City, Oregon. Hey, I'm Gary Christians, bringing you a 2021 Lance 1475 travel trailer. We're going to start by the entry door coming into the trailer. You'll notice when you come in that the weight sticker is under 3,300 pounds. Very lightweight trailer. Got a nice pantry area just to the left of the double door Norcold refrigerator. And above that, you've got hooks for keys and a switch for your 12 volt on your refrigerator. Slide out controls up on that wall as well. Moving forward on the door side, you've got a nice couch that does have reclining in them. Big window. Now they're double pane, so it's going to help insulate the unit. The windows do open up all the way for massive ventilation. And all the windows have a privacy screen and a bug screen that you can split however you so desire. And up above we've got two storage compartments and a little shelf. At the foot of the bed you've got a nice window that you can use to egress the unit if the door wasn't available. And it's double paned. The front window is the same, double paned. You've got a storage shelf up on top, and they've even put a little net up there to help keep all that stuff up there and not fall off as you go down the road. Now underneath the bed on the door side there's a big tray that slides out. You can store a lot of items in there and yet be able to get at all of it. And coming into the kitchen unit up above is your entertainment center, and then your TV, great counter space, recessed sink, lots of storage down below, microwave up on top, 3-burner stove, high output on the front, and a gorgeous, very large size oven. Well, that leaves the bathroom, and it's got a corner bathroom, plenty of room, plenty of leg room in the toilet, good hooks and towel hangings, with a nice large sink and vanity up above. Hey, thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. If you've got any questions, call me at 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen, and have a great day.